Parmon. Professionalism, skill and dedication at the service of the market. The Parmon story began in 1986 with a specific mission based on the following ideal, which is duly represented by the staff working in the company. The consumer satisfaction, with an emphasis on the concepts of hygiene and practicality. Even though its history is relatively recent, it has been characterized by the rapid expansion of the company into the market. This is a story built on investments, research, rigorous quality standards and focus on the customer. The products made by Parmon are baby diapers and women's sanitary napkins. The company boasts 24,000 square meters of space dedicated to production and logistics, all of which is organized in a way to ensure maximum efficiency and functionality, and are divided into 3 areas: the raw materials warehouse, production department, and finished products warehouse. Every year, the Parmon factory produces several hundred million items. Parmon facilities are designed to contain costs in optimized produced quantities. The facilities are characterized by an excellent location in respect to major highways and shipping routes. The Parmon approach to quality is aimed at understanding and satisfying the demands of its specific market sector. In fact, Parmon periodically performs panel tests on significant consumer sample groups in order to more precisely define the demands of consumers, which then are transformed into indispensable data and ideas for obtaining an excellent product. Quality is therefore a strategic factor for the company, and the fulfillment of such a fundamental requirement is possible thanks to an elevated product standard. The search for raw materials is a sensitive phase in which not only the purchasing department participates, but also quality guarantors are represented by the management of the product research and development department. The selected raw materials reach the company facilities and are then coded and transferred into the warehouse. The materials are stored in areas according to specific criteria, and then transported by specialized personnel from the production department to be positioned in areas near the production lines as needed. The identification of the implemented raw materials is a determining factor throughout the entire productive process and is constantly tracked, right down to the personnel who worked with the material. Parmon therefore guarantees rigorous tracking and identification by means of the code placed on the package of the finished product. The latest generation Parmon production lines are designed to obtain the best quantitative results in respect to extremely high quality standards. Rationality is evident in all phases of the productive process and in the attention to every detail, from the study of the different processes to the definition of storage areas and the functionality of the layout. In addition to high-profile mechanical support, Parmon technology also implements innovative industrial information systems able to guarantee qualitative consistency above all. The company personnel are highly qualified and trained and are able to use and manage this technology in full respect of budget schedules. Following the quality acceptance and related coding, the product is then transferred to the finished product storage warehouse. The products are positioned in so-called drive-in areas, making up an intense warehouse system, and are ready to be sent into the market after purchase orders are placed. The sales department is the crowning achievement of the company for its professionalism and readiness to listen and to meet the demands of the market. The sales department interprets the business relationship from a consulting standpoint and aims to increase the importance of Parmon products for the various clients. Logistics activities are carried out in full respect of the delivery schedules and essential methodologies in order to obtain maximum productivity. In fact, Parmon Logistics consist of a network of collaborative agreements to ensure efficient dynamic operations. Parmon. Single-use products for personal hygiene. The company is backed up by a top-notch industrial organisation and management structure consisting of 75 employees working in the various departments, committed to obtain quantity and quality results that place the company at the top of its sector. An Italian industry par excellence, putting quality and rigorous productivity at the centre of its daily business activities.